Hello everyone, happy Friday if you're watching this in real time. Today we're opening up BRUU, the Gourmet Tea Club, and this really is a gourmet tea subscription. First of all, how cute every time I have to say it. I love their packaging. But this is a monthly tea subscription, and not only do you get to try teas that are like really carefully selected from different parts of the world, you also get to learn about those different teas and where they're from and all these cool facts. So this is like the ultimate tea lover subscription. Highly recommend it. I'm officially team tea. I was just saying this to my friend earlier. I drink tea in the morning. I used to drink like coffee in the morning and then tea in the afternoon. I still was a tea drinker, but now I'm like all about the tea. So I really enjoy this as a casual tea drinker and now a full-fledged tea drinker. Highly recommend as a gift for others. And another great thing, this is affordable. It is $12 US. I do have a code with them, kittysboxes. I'll leave it down below, their link and the code in the description box. So you'll save $2, so you'll get your first box for only $10. And this does ship from the UK, but it's in this small mailer, so it's really affordable, easy to ship outside the UK, so I get it in the US. So yeah, let's get this cute box open and see what teas we have this month. It says discover better tasting teas. Yeah, this is like, I don't want to say snob, but you know, like people that really like care about their tea and like high quality. I guess you can call them tea snobs. I feel like this is for you. I don't know if I'm opening this correctly, but we're just gonna slide this all out. Did I get everything? Yeah, this little cute clip they use. So I'm gonna put this here. Let's get this open. Oh, can you guys see this? Let me make sure. So, North Pole Gingerbread Man Tea. This is so pretty. You can like hang this up for Christmas time. So, Cup of Joy. This month, we're defying the ice and heading to the North Pole, where the elves have prepared a warm cup of gingerbread man tea just for you to enjoy. The frantic elves, nonetheless, have found time to serve you this delicious treat despite the snow-covered slopes and busting workshops. Are they really? Oh my gosh. How magical does this look? This really, I think they really did go to the North Pole. That's so cool. The North Pole has no time zone. Oh, I love learning facts like this. The sun rises and sets just once a year. The North Pole hosts an annual marathon. You might find narwhals at the North Pole. Is that an animal? The nearest land is 700 kilometers away. And when you stand at the North Pole, any direction you point to is south. That is so cool. And it gives you all of the coordinates, the soil type, all of that stuff there. So I won't read all of this. But let's read it, the tea flavor. So the tea flavor strikes the ideal mix between softness and undertones of velvet as you experience the journey of the taste. A comforting aroma of gingerbread cookies and sweet oranges surrounds the space. Pepper and coriander are provided as the finishing touches, allowing the tea to come to a satisfying conclusion. That sounds so good. And I have some instructions here. So that'll be this tea right here. What do we got? Ooh, it even looks pretty. Oh my god, I'm excited. So this is the Discover tea. So each month we get to learn more about a tea like that. And then we get other teas based on our profile. And they come with information as well. So we have 3 teas. How about we start with this one? Oops, I switched up the... So they're 14 grams. This is Lancashire Best. And I love that they're resealable, super helpful. This is a black tea, and it tells you how to steep it and all that. And I love it. You can rate the teas down here, so you can go back and get them, or just like remember and compare notes and stuff. So this is a delicious, lively, and malty blend with a strong character that tastes good with or without milk. So then it talks about why they love it and where it's from. And the ingredients, so Assam and Sri Lankan black, cornflower petals and safflower petals, and then gives some storage tips as well and a best before date. This is super awesome. I want to read it all to you guys, but I'll just put it really close here, so if you wanted to pause it, you could read it all. Now let's move on to Rostero. Is that how you say that? This is another black tea. They're all black teas this month, so I do like caffeinated black tea, so awesome. What was a gingerbread tea, actually? I know we read that. I don't know. I guess I'll have to find out. But, again, you get 14 grams, resealable bag. And Rotsiro, delicate flavors and a beautiful golden color. This bright and brisk black tea is a real winner. It has a beautiful, delicate thickness with a bright, brisk, biscuity flavor profile. Long on the finish, its golden hues are a treat for the eyes too. Try it on its own with a dash of honey or with milk. And that talks about where it's from. In Rwanda, Africa. Cool. So again, I'll hold this up if you guys want to read it. So much information, right? This is so cool. I'm already thinking, like, what am I going to make next? I definitely need another cup of tea. Okay, let's move on to Lockhart Orthodox. Again, a black tea. This one is 7 grams. So those other two are 14. This one is 7, it looks like. It's still full. Let's read about it. A light black tea loaded with flavor, made using full-leaf O.P. Camellia silensis, grown on South India's Lockhart Tea Estate. Hand-picked on the day BRUU visited the Lockhart factory. That's so cool. Unbroken leaves reduce the amount of surface area. This allows the leaf to infuse gently in the water, creating what we feel is one of our favorite black teas. That's so cool. Wow, and this tea factory has been around since 1879. Here, I'll put this up close if you wanted to take a screenshot of this. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm excited to read more of this because I know I didn't read word for word, but I have 4 different teas to try. This is so cool. So again, we have Respiro, this Lockhart Orthodox OP, and Lancashire Best, and then the gingerbread tea from the North Pole. I still can't get over this. I want to read all of this. I love the facts. I'm a trivia nerd. I'm just a nerd in general. I love learning. Especially when I am interested in something, and I'm consuming something like the tea, I want to know all about it. I think it's fun to know, and I really think this is awesome. The secret location, Santa's Grotto. That's so funny. Are they really there? I know it's not. Okay, no, I'm not going to say that. Santa's totally real. Totally. But that is what I have today in the BRUU box. I will link them down below. And again, I have that code. It is affiliated, so I do get a small kickback at no extra charge to you guys if you use the code. So thank you in advance if you do use my linking code. Truly appreciate it. I'm so grateful for you. But even if you don't, I'm just so grateful that you guys are here. I hope you are doing well. Let me know, are you guys doing anything this holiday season? Anything fun? This is kind of getting me in the holiday spirit. My parents are coming on Christmas for 2 weeks, so I'm excited to see them. I'm going to see one of my brothers and his partner too for a few days, so I haven't seen them in a while, so will be a good time. So yeah, I am going to go make some tea, snuggle up with a book. Happy Friday. That is my plan. I just love nerding out and reading and all that, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me know if you're doing anything fun for the weekend too. Have a great time. I love you guys so much, and I will see you probably on Monday. Bye.